Pi Network. If you've been mining on your phone, you know the question that's been on everyone's mind. When does this become real? For years, millions have tapped their screens daily, building up hope and anticipation for the day Pi would move beyond just a digital number on your phone. The answer is finally here. After months of speculation, rumors, and community debates, the moment everyone's been waiting for is right around the corner. The open mainnet launch is imminent, marking Pi's shift from a closed experiment to a fully public blockchain. This is a pivotal milestone, not just for the project, but for the entire crypto world watching to see if Pi can deliver on its bold promises. For millions of pioneers, this is the payoff for years of daily participation, patience, and belief in a vision that seemed almost too ambitious to be true. The promise has always been clear: make crypto accessible to everyone, not just tech elites or early adopters. Pi Network set out to break down barriers, letting anyone with a smartphone join the digital economy. Now Pi faces its ultimate test. Can it deliver real-world value and utility, or will it remain just another experiment in the crowded crypto space? The world is watching and expectations are sky high. The ecosystem is about to open and the buzz is all about what comes next. Will businesses accept Pi? Will new apps and services emerge to make Pi truly useful in everyday life? Developers are rolling out new apps, building tools and platforms that could shape the future of the Pi ecosystem. Users are completing final verifications, making sure their accounts are ready for the transition and that their Pi is secure. Meanwhile, the network is gearing up for prime time, with teams working behind the scenes to ensure a smooth and secure launch. In this video, we'll break down the upgrades, explain what they mean for your Pi, and show you how to get ready for this new chapter. The doors are about to open. This is your chance to be part of something big. The future of Pi is about to unfold, and you won't want to miss it. Here's what you need to know to make the most of Pi Network's big moment. Let's dive in and explore what's next for you and the entire Pi community. Pi Network started with a radical idea: let anyone mine crypto on their phone. No expensive hardware, just a tap a day. Millions joined, building a global community. The enclosed mainnet phase, launched in December 2021, let users test wallets and apps, but kept Pi walled off from the wider crypto world. This was a real-world test bed, not just a waiting room. Developers built dApps, users learned the ropes, and the network matured without market chaos. Now, after years of groundwork, Pi is ready for its open mainnet debut. Every step, from mobile mining to app development, has led to this moment. The destination is finally here. Pi Network is a revolutionary project that aims to become the world's most accessible and inclusive digital currency. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require expensive hardware or technical know-how, Pi Network is designed so that anyone, anywhere, can participate using just a smartphone. The vision is to empower everyday people to join the digital economy, regardless of their background or resources. Unlike Bitcoin, which relies on energy-intensive mining farms and specialized computers, Pi lets anyone with a smartphone earn coins. This is possible thanks to the energy-efficient Stellar Consensus Protocol, which allows users to validate transactions and secure the network without draining electricity or harming the environment. It's a greener, more sustainable approach to cryptocurrency. There are no power-hungry mining rigs or complicated setups, just social validation and mobile participation. By leveraging trust circles and community engagement, Pi Network ensures security and decentralization while keeping things simple and accessible for everyone. The Pi ecosystem includes the Pi app, where users can earn coins daily with a single tap, and the Pi browser, which opens the door to a world of decentralized applications. Here, you can use your Pi coins, explore new dApps, and interact with a growing digital community. This structure is designed to support a real digital economy where people can buy goods and services, not just speculate on price. Pi Network envisions a marketplace where value is created and exchanged by real people for real needs. Pi is more than just a coin. It's a platform for decentralized services and innovation, built for everyone, everywhere. Developers, businesses, and users can all contribute to and benefit from this open ecosystem. The upcoming Open Mainnet launch marks the moment when this ambitious experiment goes live for the world to experience. It's the transition from vision to reality, opening up new possibilities for global participation. Pi's mission to create a fair, inclusive, and widely used digital currency is about to be put to the ultimate test as millions of users prepare to join the open network. Get ready to see what Pi Network can really do as it steps onto the global stage and invites everyone to be a part of the future of money. Let's talk upgrades, because Pi's about to level up. The core team has rolled out Protocol 20 through 23, major updates for the network. Protocol 20, launched in March 2026, brought smart contracts to Pi, unlocking a world of new apps and services. A new RPC server makes it easier for developers to build on Pi, speeding up innovation. Protocols 21 to 23, rolling out through May, fine-tune the network for stability and security. These upgrades are mandatory for node operators, ensuring everyone's on the latest, most secure version. The network is being prepped for a flood of new users and dApps. These are the final steps before launch day. The stage is set. Protocol 20 is the real game changer. Smart contracts turn Pi from a simple payment system into a full application platform. Now, developers can build decentralized exchanges, marketplaces, games, and financial tools, all powered by Pi. This leap puts Pi on par with platforms like Ethereum and Solana. The network can now support real utility, not just transactions. Smart contracts mean automated, trustless interactions. No middlemen, just code. The core team's focus: get this right, because it's the foundation for everything to come. Pi's ambition is clear: not just a currency, but a platform for a new decentralized internet. The future is about what you can build and use on Pi. The possibilities just exploded. What do these upgrades mean for you? Everything. The Pi browser is about to become a hub for real apps. Shopping, freelancing, gaming, and more, all powered by Pi. Smart contracts enable real-world utility, giving your Pi actual value. The new RPC server means more developers, better apps, and faster innovation. You'll see a richer, more diverse ecosystem quickly. For years, Pi's value was just potential. Now it's about to become reality. Your role shifts from earner to user, spending, trading, and participating in a digital economy. The roads and bridges of Pi's economy are being built. Get ready to use your Pi for more than just watching a number grow. The future is hands-on. Let's talk price. Right now, Pi IOUs trade around 17-18 cents, but that's just a preview. A major token unlock is coming, which could push prices down in the short term. But the real story is utility. As smart contracts and dApps launch, demand for Pi could surge. Analysts see potential for Pi to hit 50 cents by mid-2026, if adoption is strong. Short-term price moves are about supply and sentiment. Long-term value comes from real use. The next chapter is about turning speculation into substance. The market is watching, but the real test is about to begin. Utility will decide Pi's fate. Mainnet is coming. Are you ready? First, complete your KYC in the Pi browser. No KYC, no Mainnet Pi. Set up your Pi wallet. Write down your passphrase and keep it safe. Lose it, lose your coins. Migrate your balance to Mainnet following the in-app checklist. Explore the Pi browser now. Don't wait for launch day. Try out testnet apps, see what's being built, and get familiar with the ecosystem. Securing your coins is just the start. Understanding the apps is just as important. By preparing now, you'll be ready to use your Pi from day one. The transition is happening. Make sure you're not left behind. Get set for the open network. The future of Pi is all about utility. What can you actually do with your coins? It's not just about holding onto your Pi and waiting for the value to rise. The real excitement comes from using Pi in your daily life, whether that's making purchases, accessing services, or participating in new digital experiences. As the ecosystem grows, the possibilities for what you can do with your Pi will only expand. Developers are building dApps, decentralized applications, like exchanges, marketplaces, games, and much more. These apps are designed to make Pi useful and accessible to everyone, not just tech experts. Every day new projects are being launched, and the developer community is constantly experimenting with innovative ideas to bring real-world value to Pi holders. Tools like the FIPU Planner will help you track updates, events, and new apps in the ecosystem. With features like news feeds, event calendars, and portfolio tracking, you'll always know what's happening in the Pi world. These tools are essential for staying informed and making the most of your Pi. The community is maturing, and infrastructure is growing fast. More people are joining every day, and the network effect is making Pi stronger and more valuable. From local meetups to global online forums, the Pi community is connecting people from all walks of life. The focus has shifted from mining to building and using real-world applications. Now, it's about creating practical solutions that solve everyday problems and make digital currency a part of normal life. The apps you use today could shape the way you interact with money tomorrow. For the core team, it's about supporting developers and ensuring a smooth launch for the entire ecosystem. They're working behind the scenes to provide resources, guidance, and technical support so that the best ideas can come to life and benefit the whole community. For you, it's about becoming an active participant in a new digital economy. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or just someone curious about the future of money, there's a place for you in the Pi ecosystem. Your involvement helps shape what Pi will become. Complete your KYC, secure your wallet, and stay informed. These steps are crucial for protecting your assets and making sure you're ready to take advantage of everything Pi has to offer as the network opens up. The vision of a decentralized, accessible currency is about to become reality. Pi aims to break down barriers and give everyone a chance to participate in the global economy, no matter where they are or what their background is. The next chapter for Pi, and for you, starts now. Get ready to explore, create, and be part of something truly groundbreaking.